Welcome back to Tech Made Simple. In Lesson 1, we learned the word interface. In Lesson 2, we learned text formatting. Today, in Lesson 3, we'll learn text alignment, line spacing, bullets, numbering. Let's get started. Number 1, text alignment. Type. Microsoft Word makes document creation easy. Select the text. Align left. Align left places text at the left margin. This is the default alignment in Microsoft Word. Center alignment. Center alignment places text in the middle of the page. This is useful for titles and headings. Align right. Align right moves text to the right side of the page. This is often used for dates and special formatting. Justify. Justify aligns text evenly on both the left and right sides. It gives documents a professional appearance. Number 2, line spacing. Type several lines of text. Select the paragraph. To select the paragraph, triple-click anywhere on the paragraph to select it. After that, go to Home menu, Line, and Paragraph Spacing. You can choose the one you see fit. Line spacing controls the amount of space between lines of text. Number 3, bullets. Type. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Excel. Microsoft PowerPoint. Select all. Click the Bullets button. Bullets help organize information in a clear and readable format. Number 4, numbering. Type. Open Microsoft Word. Create a document. Save your work. Select all. Click numbering. Numbering is useful when steps must follow a specific order. Let's create a simple list of our favorite computer applications. Example. Microsoft Word. Excel. PowerPoint. Then apply bullets and adjust line spacing. And that's it for Lesson 3. In Lesson 4, we'll learn margins, page orientation, page size. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Lesson 4.